One of the most important aspects of organizing a garage is finding the best storage shelves to fit your needs. The beauty of storage shelves is that they can be used for a variety of things, from organizing tools to storing seasonal decorations. There are many different types and styles of shelves available, so it is important to know what to look for before making a purchase. In this video, I have reviewed 5 of the best, so watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information, and don't forget to subscribe. At the top of my list, number 1 is HOMEDANT 5-tier metal shelving unit garage storage. This HOMEDANT 5-tier metal shelving unit garage storage is just the ticket to get your garage spick and span. It's made of high-quality premium steel and MDF boards from Korea, of which the maximum load capacity per tier is up to 150 pounds. With this shelving unit, you can easily adjust the shelves to accommodate items of various heights. This makes it perfect for storing everything from boxes of holiday decorations to tools and sporting equipment. No bolt, no problem. Assemble this storage unit without a headache or an extra trip to the hardware store. This shelving unit snaps together quickly and easily, so you can get on with your day. Additionally, this garage shelving unit has basket-style racks to make it easy to store your things without them falling. These shelves can be used individually or in combination with other shelves, so you can customize your storage to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you need one shelf for a few small items or a whole set of shelves for larger items, these shelves are the perfect solution. Number 2 is G-Rack Garage Shelving Units. These racks are made of alloy steel, which makes them extremely durable and perfect for storing heavy items. Each shelving unit of G-Rack is designed to hold up to 400 pounds, making it the perfect storage solution for your heavy-duty needs. The shelving unit is made of high-quality MDF materials and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its stability and strength. With this shelving unit, you can rest assured that your belongings are safe and securely stored. This garage shelf has a rust-resistant coating and moisture-resistant MDF for durability that other shelves can't match. It has a boltless design that makes assembly quick and easy. Additionally, it allows you to customize the height and layout of your shelves to best suit your needs. It comes with non-slip rubber feet that offer optimum stability on any surface. G-Rack Garage Shelving Units are the only units on the market that come with an extended 5-year warranty. This means that you can trust their products to last, and if anything does go wrong, they will be always there. Number 3 is WORKPRO 5-tier metal storage shelving unit. WORKPRO's 5-tier storage shelving unit is perfect for organizing heavy-duty items. Its sturdy structure with corrosion and rust-resistant metal frame makes it a durable option for your storage needs. This shelving unit can hold up to 800 pounds per shelf, making it a great choice for heavy-duty storage. The shelves are also adjustable, so you can customize the storage space to fit your needs. This shelving unit offers versatile storage solutions for small and large spaces. You can split the shelving unit into 2 separate shelves, making it perfect for smaller spaces. The 5-tier design also makes it great for larger spaces, providing ample storage for all of your needs. To assemble these storage shelves, Mr. Nut and a bolt is not included, so you don't need any extra hardware to put this storage unit together. The interlocking shelves make assembly simple, so you can get started using them right away. This metal storage shelving unit is the perfect way to keep your workplace clean and tidy. Number 4 is Craftsman Storage Shelving Unit. This unit is perfect for the home workshop, office, or garage. You'll appreciate the durability and heavy-duty construction of this shelving unit, which can hold up to 850 pounds in total. This means you can store all of your tools, equipment, and supplies with ease. This shelving unit is engineered with fully sustainable recycled material, so you can feel good about your purchase. This storage shelving unit is perfect for the garage or basement because the ventilated reinforced plastic is mold and mildew resistant. This can hold up to 30% more weight than other plastic shelving units, making it perfect for storing heavy items. Additionally, the wall mounting brackets included with the shelving unit ensure that it makes it easy to mount the shelving unit to the wall, and they help to keep it sturdy and secure. Also, it has adjustable feet that can be used on uneven surfaces, so you don't have to worry about your shelves wobbling and your items falling off. Craftsman storage shelving unit is made in the USA with high-quality materials. This shelving unit is built to last, so you can feel good about your purchase. Number 5 is PrimeZone 5-tier adjustable garage storage shelving. This adjustable garage storage shelving is made of high-quality 0.3-inch thick MDF boards and heavy-duty galvanized metal frame, ensuring that it will be durable and last a long time. The powder coating on the metal frame of this garage storage shelving gives it a smooth surface that is easy to clean and maintain. This shelving unit is perfect for anyone who needs a little extra storage space in their garage. The shelves are adjustable, so you can customize the unit to fit your specific needs. Each shelf can hold up to 265 pounds, and the entire unit has a maximum load weight of 1,325 pounds, so you can rest assured that your belongings will be safe and secure. This shelving unit is equipped with rubber footpads at the bottom of the legs. This advantage provides greater stability and prevents slipping or sliding, even on smooth surfaces. The pads also help to protect your flooring from scratches or scuffs.